Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin immediately by measuring 1 cup sugar, 1/2 cup whole milk, 4 tablespoons butter, and 2 tablespoons cocoa. Place saucepan over medium heat and stir until sugar dissolves. This prevents graininess. Once dissolved, clip a candy thermometer and bring mixture to softball stage, about 235 degrees 240 degrees F. While it heats, line an 8x8 pan with parchment and set a metal bowl and spatula. Once the syrup reaches the softball stage, take the pan off the heat immediately so you don't overshoot. You add the butter and start beating in the hot mixture. This cools it and starts the crystallization that gives fudge its texture. Keep beating until the mass becomes thicker and glossy. This can take 5–10 minutes. Then fold in 1 teaspoon vanilla and 1/2 cup chopped chocolate so they melt into the warm mix. Make sure to scrape the sides. Those bits matter for consistency. You pour the hot fudge into the lined pan and smooth the top. Once level, let it cool at room temperature for 2 to 3 hours to set properly. If you need it faster, chill briefly but avoid freezing as it dulls flavor. To cut, warm a knife under hot water and slice cleanly. If your fudge turns grainy, don't panic. Reheat gently, stir in 1 to 2 tablespoons of water to dissolve sugar crystals, then beat until smooth and repour. That fixes common texture issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.